Now we are going to discuss about image captioning using deep learning, a systematic literature review. We are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective of our project is we need to generate a description of an input image by using the different classification algorithms such as a deep learning convolutional neural network. Generating a description of an image is called image captioning. Image captioning requires to recognize the important objects, their attributes, and their relationships in an image. It also needs to generate syntactically and semantically correct sentences. At first, features are extracted. After proper extraction of features, a different object from an image are detected. After that, the relationship between objects are to be identified. In this system, image captioning dataset was collected from some dataset repository. Then we have to implement the pre-processing technique. Then the system is developed with the deep learning algorithm such as convolutional neural network. The experimental result shows that accuracy and error rate and predict the relevant information for an input image. This is the flow of our project. First, we need to take a input image from our data set. The input image is carried out to pre-processing step. In this step, we can resize our original image and grayscale conversion. Then the pre-processed image is carried out to feature extraction. So in this step, we can extract the features from pre-processed image by using mean median. The feature extracted image is carried out to image splitting module. So in this step, we can split the whole images into testing and training. Testing is used for prediction and training is used for evaluation. Then the splitter image is carried out to classification module. So in this step, we can implement the deep learning algorithm such as convolutional neural network. Then classify with the help of the CNN, so we can estimate some performance metric such as accuracy. Then finally prediction. So here we can generate a description of an given or chosen input image. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to discuss about a demo of our project. So this is the output. Here we are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the original image. This is the resized image. Then grayscale. Then feature extraction. So here we can extract the features from chosen input image. Then image splitting. So here we can split the whole images into test and training. So this is the total number of images. This is the training data and this is the testing data. Majority of the images will present in training part and smaller portion of the images will present in testing part. Then we are implemented the CNN algorithm. So the result for CNN. So this is the result for CNN, and the final one prediction. So prediction. So a wedding party walk out of, so the corresponding input image. So it will be showing that or generated description of a chosen input image. So again we can choose one input image from our data set. Yeah, so this is the result for a chosen input image. This is the output of our project. Thank you.